Want to secure your iPhone with a passcode? It's a simple way to protect all your personal info and keep it safe from prying eyes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of turning on and setting up a passcode for your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Face ID and Passcode. After that, tap on Turn Passcode On. Now you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit passcode. Next, you'll need to re-enter your passcode to confirm it. After setting up your passcode, you can also enable extra security features like Face ID or Touch ID to lock down your device even more. Additional notes: a passcode is required for features like Apple Pay and iCloud Keychain. It's super important to pick a passcode that's both easy for you to remember but hard for anyone else to guess. If you ever forget your passcode, you'll need to reset your device using recovery mode. And that's it. Now you've got a passcode set up to protect your iPhone. You've taken the right step in keeping your personal information safe. If you have any questions or need a hand with anything else, feel free to drop a comment.